The sisters of Charity of San Capitano and Grusa run a small hospital in Chriundu, Zambia, which does not have access to large capital budget and expensive equipment. It has only 4 full-time employees, an accountant, an office manager, a purchase manager, and a security. The hospital purchases medical supplies every week to make sure there are enough medical supplies to use for their patients. This system is built for purchasing and receiving medical supplies and guaranteeing that all medical supplies received are the right quality and quantity ordered. All medical supplies are used to treat local patients and costing low fee.
Hello everyone, I'm the designer of this new system. I'm Tina.
I'm Anderson. I'm manager of the hospital.
And we are here to introduce the system to the manager.
So may I know the structure of the system?
Yeah, we have the 2 main parts for this system and 1 for purchasing and 1 for receiving.
Yeah, and how does the system run?
There are about 9 steps of the system, and my partner Tina will introduce them for you.
The first step is that the purchase manager should make a report based on the physical stock data to make sure the number of inventory on hand and compare with the inventory statement from last week. If the new report reflects the same amount of inventory as the statement from last week, that is fine to do the next part. However, the purchase manager should make a report to the office manager that the hospital lost stocks. The second step is the purchase manager is asked to enter the amount of each item into the Excel. Then, based on the setup medical supplies requirements for each week, the purchase manager should calculate how many medical supplies are in need and make a requirement list with name and amount of each item. The third step is the accountant prepare the purchase requisition rely on requirement list with signature and send to office manager. The next step is, once the office manager agreed with the purchase order and signs, the purchase order will be processed back to the purchase manager. When the purchase manager receives the purchase requisition, they make the purchase order to their regular suppliers. Okay, my partner will introduce the rest of the systems.
The third step is after the warehouse or hospital receives the medical supplies, purchase manager will check all goods and enter the amount and name of each item into Excel. If the amount or items not match with the purchase order, the Excel will give a warning for purchase manager to check again. The sixth step is when goods are all correct, purchasing manager will make a receiving report through the Excel. At the same time, goods will be collected and placed into warehouse by purchase staff and security. The warehouse has a security system that only security with their ID card and the purchase staff who is able to collect goods can enter in. The receiving report will be sent to accountant directly. The seventh step is that accountant provides check or electronic funds transferred to supplier, and the statement will be processed to office manager. Eighth step is the office manager confirms the amount of payment with signature and keep it as a record. The last step is that at the end of each week, the accountant makes a backup copy of all computer files. The backup copy is stored outside the hospital.
Is the system safe?
Yes, of course. Each step has a computer workstation which is connected to the internal network. Employees are not allowed to surf the website with working computer.
And to make sure the security of the system, everyone is asked to use their own ID number and password. Based on their ID number, they will have different permissions, and each ID number can only sign in with one computer at the same time.
Thank you for your introduction, and we will consider your new system.
Thank you.